Son was murdered nearly 5 years ago by the accused Seminole Heights serial killer, but new court documents reveal that Kazimar Naiboa will not be allowed to testify in the trial of Howell Trey Donaldson. Fox 13's Gloria Gomez joins us now live from the Tampa courthouse. So, Gloria, is this going to be a setback for the prosecution's case?
You know, Chris, it's really unclear if it'll hurt them, but what we know for a fact is that the father will not be testifying in his son's trial because he refused to show up for depositions.
It's rare for the parent of a murder victim to be barred from testifying. But that's exactly what's happening in the Howell Trey Donaldson murder case. The father of victim Anthony Naiboa won't be taking the stand in his son's trial. Court documents show there is an agreement between the state and the defense. Quote, Mr. Naiboa is excluded as a witness in both the first phase of the trial and potentially the penalty phase of the defendant's trial. They say Mr. Kazimar Naiboa has refused to cooperate in scheduled depositions. He even ignored a court order by the judge to show up. In March, the defense complained Anthony Naiboa's mother was also refusing to cooperate.
Mrs. Rodriguez did in fact show, and as Your Honor sees from the attached transcript, refused to answer any questions.
The prosecutor urging Mrs. Rodriguez to show up for the scheduled deposition, and it appeared to work. Donaldson is accused of causing terror and panic in Seminole Heights in the fall of 2017. They say he gunned down 4 innocent people who happened to be walking alone: Benjamin Mitchell, Monica Hoffa, Anthony Naiboa, and Ronald Felton. Police released this home surveillance video of the suspected gunman. Donaldson was eventually arrested after a McDonald's manager in Ybor City turned over a food bag with a .40 caliber Glock handgun he had given her to hold. Later, prosecutors announced they would be seeking the death penalty. However, if Donaldson is convicted in Anthony Naiboa's case, his father won't be allowed to tell the jury how his son's murder devastated the family.
Chris, keep in mind that the judge has ruled that there will be 4 trials, 1 for each of the victims, so this ruling will only affect Anthony Naiboa's trial. Back to you.
And do we know the order yet? Which victim's trial is up first for Howell Trey Donaldson?
No, in fact, that was brought up today, and it's too early. The defense says they're still doing depositions, and at this point, it's too early to schedule the first trial. So we may get an answer by this fall, though.
A long wait for justice for those families. Okay, thanks, Gloria.
Exactly.